Greetings! A pleasant morning to you, Ma'am and Sir. How are you? I'm Jonah Stefano from Philippines. I'm 32 years old. I'm single and I'm a college graduate of 2 years course of computer programming. By the way, I have working experience in Singapore for straight 6 years as a nanny of 3 years old until 9 years old boy and 9 months old until 7 years old girl. My main duties and responsibilities is to make sure that they are safe and they are eating a healthy and nutritious food. I am the one who bring and pick up a little girl at school, while a little boy, my sir helped to bring and pick up at school. I taught them how to draw, how to paint, and how to read the books. And also, I play with them. While the kids are in school, I can do the household chores, such as cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing, go to market, and also cooking. And also, I have working experience in Hong Kong as a nanny of a newborn baby. My main duties there is the safety of the baby. If you have given me a chance to hire me as your helper, I will do my best and I will do my duties. And I will promise that I can finish my contract. For more information about my experience, please feel free to ask me and I will give you more details during the interview. Please consider my application because you are just going to hire a responsible, reliable, and a trustworthy nanny. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir. God bless. You have a great day ahead of you.